I think I'm used to being different because I moved around so much when I was a child. So I moved from Ireland to Manchester in the north of England, and I felt like an outsider, so I had to get used to that. And actually previously to that I felt a little of an outsider even in Ireland because my family are a bit different to their peers. They're a bit more, they're not religious and they're just a bit different to the people that grew up next to them. So I've been brought up to feel a little bit of an outsider in the world anyway. And but I think there's a joy in the artwork that I'm really embracing. Anything that could possibly be creative in my job, you know, that I will actually run toward dressing up. I will go toward making a show. I really love making videos. I love making images, you know, as well as making music. So that joy, hopefully, is in there in the artwork as well. It's not so sad, I don't think.